Deal hunting, smart shopping strategies. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very useful phrase that can help you save money and make smart shopping choices. Deal hunting. Let's explore what this means and how you can become a pro at it. Deal hunting refers to the act of searching for the best deals, discounts, or promotions when shopping. It's like a treasure hunt, where the treasure is the best possible price for a product or service. Deal hunters are savvy shoppers who take the time to research and compare prices before making a purchase. In today's world, where there are endless options and variations in pricing, deal hunting can make a significant difference in your spending. Not only does it help you save money, but it also makes you a more conscious consumer. You learn the value of products and develop skills in budgeting and financial planning. Deal hunting isn't just about finding sales in stores, it's also about knowing where to look. This can include online marketplaces, websites and apps where discounts are regularly offered, coupon websites, places where you can find codes for discounts online or in stores, clearance sections. Both online and physical stores have these, often at the back or a dedicated page. Secondhand shops. Sometimes the best deals are on pre-owned items. Signing up for newsletters. Many stores send exclusive deals to their subscribers. Here are some strategies to become an efficient deal hunter. Set up alerts for products you're interested in. Follow your favorite stores on social media for flash sales. Use comparison tools to check prices across different retailers. Consider the timing of your purchase. Prices can fluctuate based on seasons or holidays. Read the fine print on deals to understand the terms and conditions. We hope this video helps you become a master deal hunter and makes your shopping experiences both fun and economical. Remember, deal hunting is about being resourceful and patient. Happy shopping and see you in the next video.